My name's Robert Pleasance. I live in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. If you're on the fence about going solar, I'd say go for it. Solar panels are definitely worth every cent you spend on them. And the cost effectiveness of running down your power bill proves itself every month. On my first array that I got, I brought it down quite a bit, so I added another array to try and get to zero. If someone called and asked about Cape Fear Solar, I would tell them I was met with a professional representative who showed up on time. It was thoroughly going over exactly what I needed. He customized the experience to the best of his ability to exactly what I needed and in the cost parameters I set forth. He was very good in following up and showing me all the ins and outs of how everything was going to work. Best benefits from going solar were the reduced cost on my electrical bill. The cost benefits of going solar are extraordinary, and it helps the environment.